old Eddexpert. There is no reverse. They replace complete use transmission only. After the replacement of the complete transmission assembly, this is the aftermath. Transmission indicator lights up and check engine light lights up. Now, I'm going to diagnose what is wrong on this transmission. After the installation of the used transmission, the indicator lights up and unable to shift the shifting lever. It was stuck at park position, and even I'm pressing the brake, unable to shift the shifting lever. When I used the scan tool, I could not read the TCM because it was lost communication in the system. Now what I did, I will use the old TCM and I will remove the TCM which is installed in the used transmission. Only I will use the old TCM equipped in the vehicle. I installed the old TCM in the car. This is the used transmission, and I did not use the TCM which is equipped in the used transmission.
How many they give you? 4?
If you are replacing
No.
a used transmission, use the old TCM because the used transmission along with the TCM is not compatible in this model of the vehicle. That is why I got a lost communication in the TCM module. After the replacement of the used transmission, they think it will work because that problem was no reverse before. After I put it back, the old TCM which is equipped in the vehicle, I will check the DTC of the TCM, and you will see I'm using a scan tool to know if there is a DTC appears in the system. Even the PCM, just to know if there is also a DTC. If there is a DTC appears in the PCM, that was the installed only, so it is necessary to delete it.